should be seeing it a lot more. We turn to KQ2's meteorologist Elizabeth McGibbon for a first look at the weather. Elizabeth.
That's right. Believe it or not, normally 65 degrees is about where we're sitting for that average temperature, but hey, I think we'll take some more of that nice weather. Right now outside, though, we're going to start seeing some clouds building on into the area. Here's a look at your satellite and radar showing clear sky for now, but a few showers are starting to inch their way into northwest Missouri. Now that's due to an area of low pressure, which is going to continue not only into tonight, but for tomorrow as well, bringing probably less than 1/10 of an inch of precipitation. So not looking to be filling up the rain bucket that much more. But hey, we have some more nice temperatures even on into the 80s for the start of your work week. I'll have more on that though coming up. Now, Sophia, back to you at the news desk.
I want to see it. I want to see
You know what? It sounded like a good time, and we had some great clear sky out there. So hopefully you guys had a chance to go out and enjoy that.
the video, I guess.
You know what? If you like the weather that we had today, we're going to have more of that in store, and I'll have some more detail on that coming up. Welcome back. We're going to start you off with a look at that almanac. Normally this time of the year, sitting at 65 degrees for that afternoon high and waking up to a temperature of 41 degrees. Of course, today we stayed dry of that precip, which only puts us at 20.47 inches for the year, which is just over 2 inches below where we should be for this time of the year. Now today we were on the warm side of things, warmed up all the way to 81 degrees thanks to that sunshine, and woke up to a low of 50. Right now though, we have some clouds starting to creep their way on into the area, which is keeping things warm for us. Right now 73 degrees is that temperature, and winds are coming out of the south-southeast, so pumping in some of that Gulf moisture at about 5 miles per hour. Temperatures are staying in the 70s throughout the state of Missouri. And here's a look at that satellite and radar where we can see clear sky for now, but a few little dots of green. So some showers starting to work their way toward northwest Missouri. Now that's due to this area of low pressure, which will be pushing through the state of Missouri, more so along northern half of Missouri throughout the day tomorrow, and then bringing in some more clear sky before our attention shifts to this second area of low pressure, and more specifically for us, this cold front that's trailing behind us, which is going to bring some more rain toward the end of the work week. Now here's a look at that precip cast. We're really looking toward sunset, or sunrise rather, to be seeing some showers creep their way into the area, but then throughout the day, tomorrow we're going to keep those clouds around but dry things out on into Tuesday. Some showers down to the south, but then clear sky is going to stick around throughout the day on Wednesday. Here's a look once again at that low pressure starting to creep its way into the area. By tomorrow we're going to be bringing in some of that warm Gulf moisture, fueling in clouds, and even bringing along a chance for some showers and thunderstorms. Not expecting too much though in terms of precipitation, maybe 1/10 or a couple 1/100ths of an inch to add to the rain bucket. On into mid-work week though, here is that second area of low pressure quickly working its way out of the Pacific Northwest toward the middle of the country. Right behind it though, some strong gusty winds, that cold front to bring in some chilly temperatures, and once again bringing along a chance for a few showers and even some spotty thunderstorms. Overnight, very scattered showers and thunderstorms, only about 20 or 30% chance for that. 65 degrees for that overnight low, which if you saw the almanac, that is normally our high temperature for this time of the year. Tomorrow, once again on the warm side of things, 79 degrees. Those showers and thunderstorms, very spotty, but that chance continuing throughout the day. Otherwise, seeing some clouds in the area. For Tuesday and Wednesday, though, we bring sunshine back on into the picture and keep along that 80-degree weather. But then on Thursday, that's when we're really going to see things change up for us again. So another chance for a few spotty showers and thunderstorms Wednesday night on into Thursday. But then temperatures are going to dip into the 60s for Thursday, and even struggle to get out of the 50s for a high on Friday.
It's a wild ride this week. Well, thank you, Elizabeth, for that. I remember my first recital, my little piano. I was good. I didn't mess up either. So
I did too. I played piano as well. I had my little teddy bear as I did the teddy bear parade song.
They never judge you, the teddy bears, so that's good. They don't care.
That's true.
So how's the weather? It's a whole bunch of stuff happening.
There's a chance for some showers overnight, and that is going to keep temperatures warm And that shower chance is going to continue on into tomorrow as we see close to 80 degrees. More warm weather in store for the first half of your work week. But then as we inch closer to your weekend, we're going to see temperatures become much cooler.
Okay, important thing to know, 80 degrees on Monday. Have a great week, everyone.